If you feel empty right now, if you feel like something's missing, like you're here but not really living, you're not alone. We all go through moments where life feels hollow, where you wake up, go through the motions, but inside there's nothing. No spark, no excitement, just emptiness. And the worst part? That emptiness makes you question yourself. What's wrong with me? Why can't I just be happy? Why do I feel like this? And slowly you start to believe that maybe this is all there is. But let me tell you the truth. Feeling empty doesn't mean you're broken. It means your soul is calling for something more. See, emptiness is not a sign of weakness. It's a signal. It's life's way of telling you what you're doing isn't feeding you anymore. The routines, the habits, the things that once felt fine, they're not enough now. Your emptiness is pushing you to grow. So what do you do when you feel this way? You don't numb it. You don't run from it. You face it, and you use it. Step 1, stop distracting yourself. Most people fight emptiness by filling the silence with noise, scrolling, watching, eating, sleeping, anything to escape. But that only deepens the hole. Instead, sit with it. Be honest with yourself. Ask, why do I feel empty? What's missing? You might be surprised how clear the answer becomes when you stop drowning it out. Step 2, reconnect with yourself. When was the last time you did something just for you? Not for money, not for status, not for approval. Just because it lit you up inside. Maybe it's creating, maybe it's moving, maybe it's helping someone else. The emptiness you feel is often the space between who you are and what you're doing. Close that gap, and you'll feel alive again. Step 3, build momentum through small wins. Don't wait for some huge breakthrough to fix everything. Start small, make your bed, go for a walk. Read one page, call someone you care about. When you're empty, the smallest actions can start refilling you. Momentum doesn't come from waiting, it comes from movement. And here's something you need to remember. Every person you look up to, every strong individual you admire, they've felt empty too. They've felt lost, drained, and hopeless. The difference is, they didn't let the emptiness define them. They used it as fuel to build a new chapter. Think about Viktor Frankl, psychologist who wrote Man's Search for Meaning. He said, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. That's what emptiness is, a challenge. It's life saying, it's time to change. So, if you feel empty, don't see it as the end. See it as the beginning of a new story, a chance to create meaning where there was none. Because the truth is, your life does have meaning. You just haven't uncovered it yet. And you don't uncover it by waiting for motivation or waiting for happiness to magically arrive. You uncover it by moving forward, by trying, by building habits and experiences that make you proud to be alive. If you feel empty right now, I want you to know, you're not alone and you're not stuck. This is a season, not a life sentence. Take it as the signal it is, a chance to rebuild, a chance to discover what really matters, a chance to find the version of you that's been buried under doubt, fear, and routine. So stop running from the emptiness, face it, learn from it, and then rise above it. Because one day, you'll look back and realize this empty moment was the turning point, the day you stopped existing and started living.